Most service-based business owners are still using outdated marketing methods and wondering why leads are inconsistent. Here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, the best marketing strategy is not about doing more marketing. It is about building a system that attracts, converts, and follows up automatically. In this video, you will learn the best marketing strategy for service-based businesses in 2026, step by step. You will understand exactly where leads come from, how to turn them into customers, and how to stay booked consistently without chasing clients every day. And stick around, because in a minute, I'll show you the one shift that separates struggling businesses from fully booked ones. Let's start with the core idea. Marketing in 2026 is not about posting randomly or boosting a few ads. It is about owning attention in your local market. That means when someone needs your service, your business is the first thing they see and trust. Now here's where it gets interesting. The strategy has three parts: visibility, conversion, and automation. If you miss even one, your marketing will fail. First, visibility. This is where customers find you. The strongest sources today are Google Business Profile, local services ads, and short-form content on platforms like YouTube and Instagram. For example, a plumber in Chicago gets daily calls just from ranking in Google Maps searches like emergency plumber near me. But here's the problem. Most businesses stop at visibility. They get views but not customers. Second part is conversion. This is where most people fail. Your website, Google profile, or landing page must instantly build trust. That means clear services, strong reviews, real photos, and one simple action like call or WhatsApp. John, a handyman in Miami, doubled his bookings just by removing unnecessary options and making his page focus on one clear message: call or message now. In a minute, I'll show you how automation turns every lead into a follow-up system that never lets customers slip away. Third part is automation. This is where 2026 marketing becomes powerful. Most leads do not convert immediately. If you do not follow up, you lose money every single day. Tools like WhatsApp automation, CRM systems, and simple email or SMS reminders keep your business active in the customer's mind. So even if they do not book today, they come back tomorrow. Now, here's where it gets even more powerful. When these three parts work together, your business becomes predictable. Visibility brings leads. Conversion turns them into inquiries. Automation turns them into paying customers. Imagine this. A customer searches for your service. They find your business instantly. They trust your reviews. They contact you in one click. Even if they hesitate, your follow-up system brings them back later. That is a complete marketing machine. So here's the takeaway. The best marketing strategy in 2026 is not about doing everything. It is about building a simple system that keeps your business visible, trusted, and always followed up. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment your business type, and subscribe for more real-world strategies that help service businesses grow faster and stay consistently booked.